And a bear for no black couch marango to the couch.
Black couch is a woman.
You know, nobody you already.
What do you is I?
Hi.
What's that about Masofa Arimena?
Una ona, la black. Oh, voilà, je trouve.
Anyway.
Yeah, wait. And 100% not 30 minutes. Oh, my,
Okay, what you're going to the kind
yes.
No, I'm not going to say that already.
I'm going to say.
Yeah, I'm going to say that now. Okay,
I didn't go to with us.
Which one mean?
To send the person happening.
This is Zomanga.
Okay.
We were going to the kind of episode, the black catch, Namsternani, when they were
the guy.
Yeah, we come on the
Oh, apparently, I pay for new and when I'm good.
What if you go get my email in general? So, as I was still saying, I'm saying na Ronewa Muremela wa dinala apa Venda office park. But no come tanganet.
Horiwa. Ndikutanganeza vyo tino ndo ndera. Apa chindi saluliega.
Nana come tanganet.
Ndikutanganeza vyo.
Come tanganet platform yash.
Oh, okay. Horiwa.
I'm saying na Ronewa Muremela. Ronewa Muremela ndi just for what I never did because Ronewa via super primary kuni
yeah. Okay, Ronewa Muremela ndi a nail technician. Ndishimele ne Venda office park. Already said thank you. Ndishimele ne Venda office park and ndikuita zinara and also ndiyagudisa. Machudeni ndiyaponoita na. So nditana ndo ndagudisa.
Okay. And then I am to already wanapeta zinara na mimi. How would you say aruwa ashkweta achemtu cause kanji mtu anaita za mabindu watu wane wala wakuona mabindu and all that. So how would you say your upbringing was like?
Hey, I tingaruwa ndikobala mabindu so nditonda nga nyime ndibula ndandikufunisa cherede so ndozvibona uri hey ndimemesa mufumakadzi ndimeme yeah uri yeah cherede tukutuku ive kujeni uri hadzasi kuuya zvazvikokonda sho
okay
wavokotodenya nokucherede nenondende.
And then I won't even ask you or unamtuna because you today azor unai and already
eso zvamutu zviko
zviko dane ubati vabdiwa romtu ane ava off market vasinga vata vakumudina
yo
kane ava off market sikunyangana mati. And then unachunga che nyoto.com email. That's the only thing I want to talk about.
Email home to together come email
yeah, so ela email ya isenda mtu akori kare cancel che yo ndikona mnakera so ndizine ava kumuita chunga chote ore hey ndishagomba ndo naka injo bachelor dia manala
twanga mind we are invoicing Lisa.
Oh, so do
the Romero creepy yes week.
And then do you ever compare your boyfriend na your late date because you did say already because you were chitantu awachimfarasa kumba sort of and now this guy is it treating you with very same
a queen. It's like a queen. Mara yeah
kumfarasa wood
yeah
uto dar arwane farko shuta choro mlingera
apuni.
Okay. And then for mutonanga yani ukuita shows business and successful so to say from my point of view how would you say the friends who are going to choose cause nanga vangana all successful zvakonda because vamwe tovada vachikodera zvinene havanazo and then some are there for real like they're real friends. How do you differentiate between the two or mutu mkuendi mpi?
Hey, I think nditobona abe muntu angasito pretender for long. If I feel like I do not feel your energy or I do not like the way you live, then I'm very picky when it comes to my friend. Nimo respect. So yeah, I'm very picky. It's not like nditobonori would like jesu ndikwamba nawo jesu ndiyakonoswa nsoro weno ndi type yanga as a friend. or you know nasi type yanga, yeah.
Oh,
Just
so
like
nazi
that.
type also
In
like
nazi
friendship.
type pizza abafoza bangana in nazi type is echonachim.
Yeah, boyfriend type and you type it.
Yeah, boyfriend is food, eh? I don't collab,
Anyway, I don't get that never. So, about your things that you've done besides the business. Maybe I joined also a beauty pageant. I win a Miss Teen Venda. So, did you say at that point you felt like the most beautiful queen of all the contestants?
Come Miss Teen Venda. Yes, I will try my best. You know, not bad and go into spoon there. The arrow. The combat. Just look at me. Can still okay. Okay, Nicola.
Yeah.
So, you know, I would try my best though. I would practice everything, yeah. So the guys to love and then to like but yeah, and then could deserve. I think my judge will be one in the Miss Teen Venda. I was yeah. It was a very nice pageant, yeah.
And then did you ever wish to join Miss SA at some point? Because the last time
yes. Yeah, obviously I did. I did not go to the Ronewa Muremela and crown in South Africa. But I think with Chiro, it already fully out like that is not shipping show manager because I was in varsity, I was having my business, I was doing nails, and then the modeling, so I was shipping. So I remember by the time I took a break, yeah, I was like, I'm taking a break for 1 year, but in such a year because of time and I'm with the fall out of love. But definitely in the Toma, yes.
Okay.
The Toma, yeah. That was the goal.
Okay. And then let's talk about your education or your career /that. So Achita become were you doing it because you knew you would wanna be a business person eventually?
Because I remember I wanted then go to become accounting.
Yeah.
Did you shoot up your data, and then get you to not want to become accounting because I think one sent a message or something. Man, did you can get your data? So number didn't the una mini I remember asking that una mini data once economics and business. That Tom for economics in the economics. Just like economics, I want to piling up the documents. But not to go to this sort of end that two or in the finish the I know. So I get that and get business management. Just like a business management, right? Number and that was it. It's not something that I knew. It was like that.
Okay, and then after completing your degree, Shuma anyway?
No, after completing my degree in PGCE, do you know its method?
Yeah,
So I did it for a year to be a teacher. So yeah,
and then,
so I did that.
Business obviously do you have any business in your
yes.
Oh,
I have don't know where I think I was definitely in secondary chambura so would the Marduenda Zamuruka Mara Session Kuruka Mutus Kotomo, you know.
You want to know the
I don't want to pass there, I get a father. But I think not just try come to tea. Just do look at what Tomo and Gapan does not swang. Yeah, but when I was doing nails, when I was in university, and there's another page, candidate and lashes. So that try it, lashes, and that's not good. It's very try. Yeah, business and but I think I don't know. I was not in love with that, and also, but could be them. I'm most busy than nada. That's when I would be full time.
And then from there, I'm going to Ronewa nails. Because at first, she told me where she would be Ronewa hair and nail salon. So somebody.
You're talking about Ronewa nails. Then last year, they're gonna enter Mawuzi. but it's not like I was doing hair myself. Ndando toda mutene akuita mabudzi in this salon. Yeah. So, akushimela andane, so that's why it was Ronewa hair. But I never did hair.
Okay. And then I know business or COVID kana way before that.
No, I started way before. We did over full time, obviously, in the COVID. Because my PGCE in 2019. So in 2020, I'm going to full time. Yeah. So 2020 was my year of utakura business yanga. So yeah, and I did. So
if you're completed your PGCE.
If currently, I mean,
if you complete a PGCE.
Yeah, I did. I graduated. Yes.
Doesn't that make you a teacher now? Or
yeah, I'm a qualified teacher. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then,
and the Kwamburibu
I'm going to give singers 22.
Because it's Madura Duva. And I did Zingana. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, but I'm qualified. Yeah. Now one as the apostle Munduba. I was there's no
okay.
Don't know the like him.
Okay. And then the love of nails, you're talking nails because high school was one of the genres.
I just then could bury woman, then she's the phone which this year.
Yeah.
I remember I did my first set in when I was in Grade 12 for Metric Dance. That's when I did my first set. And I think it was 60 rands. And he no pay could do that. So I that was full number. So Mara Uitanaram. I loved it. Mara not to anything as Vita. Mara Zuitas or Tom and Rogunori Auchen as Musu I can do. So beauty. That go to that's just a beauty. Something that I can do. Then the try and then it's a plastic. It's less a pin and the mangats. Yeah.
Okay. And then as you go to my does it now were you watching YouTube and on never to I go down another.
When I started the chitoman plastic and then go to tears kundi won't do so that go to number days and the money. I'm just realizing okay, you probably don't know that. But acrylic.
Silent.
Okay, but Notoma Ngadzama plastic, you know. And I remember this at the time, praying to God or Zimu. The creators of plastic because you go on Mara. Because the Bona is a powder. This is never with it, you know. But at that time, so it was not an option because I didn't have money at all. Literally, I was broke, so it was not an option. So ndatitori ezvinefsasa chijena ndiyo ringanyana zvitu nditry YouTube bonishibona nisokopfura andingozvikoni ezvindiyo so yandiconvince YouTube yaitondibelieve okay ndarenga ndidokona. So I went to buy those things and then ndichibuita ndaita dzimwe dzitava zvavasikutopateya zvakuti then that's why ndendaona uri maybe this is not for me, but I still prayed to God to that believe hey, I don't know how, but I really need to do this because of the good we did in that. Then and the appointed chitties to about this other girl, Akumuso don't you wanna learn nails for free, and that's how I started. Olani or to push on the Muzimo to scare any when I
because the way you're saying it is like when you get stuck, you just pray to God.
Yeah.
I believe in
yes, I do with all my heart. Gambiri and Gayotia, November 1. November 1. Because they done a tattoo here, you move into November 1. That you Venda ended when they done English. November 1. Ori is you know like cheated situation the Sokosazana. Because whenever she tells me when that's on November 1 mudzimu uyasimbedzori ndiyatembe ndinokuti mutodha pano
somebody calling I could shoot the story
November 1 so be on the lookout this you know I want to do it ndichiona chipinda ndikotsanga pofas
And then the most important question in the yes size Yamanara, and I'm glad we're naming known as Kara Eva Twaziba. I didn't know sound.
Cling, cling, cling.
I did happen.
Oh, the.
Yeah, so
this thing
it's not that's all. Like, I always ask myself a lot of questions. Or
this
could
put the question.
Mwana watu wananga Cardi B at least zawuzonga fupi now zindafu za Cardi B now zindafu zichinga mungu futhi so uyakona
ukona akasibe nazo sazikuni na Cardi B ukona
but vakona tambana vanadzo and then vakona kuwana
niwatsikoni vani kutamba ngazvanganala enotamba nganala kana zvanda
mara zina ndichiita chitabula ndiadiri ena tamya chitabula kana
nditamba ngachanda kuti nganala.
Okay, besides that mino yacho masuzvinyi man uzvitisana no, like I feel like that's the biggest cliche, you know, and that's what I'm trying to manage. I'm like, trying to put a tissue.
Una strategy.
Oh, we need to have a strategy.
There is a strategy.
Yeah.
You know, when you're doing everything with else now in a strategy and you get used to it in a way that this not no cheer this not so this not no fun and I say a fire like this not so go to song and
no, so no matter what, no matter.
I can do everything.
And then phone I go press your body, not what's going already.
That's the phone. The one who shoot me someone. When she says scenario, you will not go shoot. When you shoot someone, I eat. They put her parents, and did you for them? I don't know that.
I take the boyfriend, I don't go.
Oh,
I got some of I first.
The code dear, what's up?
Okay, and then
this is me typing. Was mentioned as in Trienna Kurasa is the audio.
Somebody was going on of master.
But you don't do this. The problem is no, you don't do
yeah, that's what I expect.
We use this. No, we use this part, guys. This part. Like, yeah.
And then after to draw that, I think let's
draw that and then come clear this rumors.
No, I don't know that.
No, the problem is that the one about like not ish that go down mara and the line at too much other guys. Oh, Zuruna line call me, ask Uruna Watuangan. Sometimes in their Zura, sometimes not too much. She don't know Pungwa, but
I was not
it happens. Maduva funny.
It's right to believe, eh?
No, Maduva not dwelling and their Tony Shuma. It happens.
Oh, yeah.
You know, no Pungwa or any thunder, I don't know the guys. To go to November to be a customer.
No, okay, but
I don't know that.
I was real that. Mara, Madvania about that, I mean. And also, even if some of you are that, but work with the continuously. Do you think about work with that because they know you are good at your work? Can work with that as they transitory and it was another around the meals? Because now there's that brand in it, it's out there, you know what those already.
Yeah, Ronewa is a brand, guys. It's no longer a name, it's a brand.
Yeah, so do you think about work with that brand can work with the so that's me asking you if you're good.
I think my clients in a relationship, yeah, we have a very good relationship. So I think they're coming for all of it, like to see me, like, to talk to me, and then with another Zawud, obviously, and it's their last time. Because as this Zawud, the Nyatopens about we are Ronewa business to you know. Maybe the relationship we have.
Yeah.
And then Russia, obviously, they want nice meals. Yeah. Yeah.
And then you never had any bad review or another cool so
no, I do have bad reviews. It's part of the process. So it's not like I do, just that it's rare now, you know, because I make sure if Karanda the cacao okay, I do, but it's rare. Okay, I didn't like the nails or something.
So it's if a cacao I'm to attend to other items and the writers of the house
for free.
Obviously.
If Karanana within 3 weeks, like via Dashem end up like don't pay. My clients know or fix a narrative.
Okay.
haitibadilisiwo.
And then sometimes we just booking and all that. And you're not gonna go in the so return or one Venda office park and they're like, oh, I'm doing on the rent doing that. So I want to buy and but what that so bad Davani I can anyway tell us of me to the saloon the one real giro. He's got to end and give over Raru. Cows, the cow of them drop of 8. I don't go to a very my chair. I know my chair.
No, I don't. One thing about my clients, they know ring the chase are late as long as yeah, yes. By the way, the chase namusi but dawa panoni ba buisa eli and that's the copy. Oh, the Mara, yeah, so no chase and I'm singer true. That we are rather than 6 guys asking up past 6, just to let you know.
Okay.
And the song cut you.
The timber one.
Those comment, I can't remember.
The timber one.
We don't have the timber one.
Okay, so
but to answer your question, no, atikati mutu. Kanana thought that, you know, like Kanana thought that chine ati fulu chitanduri lesuru 5 from Tarubuko Danga 80. But Karamuto ahone, there's no way the chingatua. Because the white what until ya channel dualia kovera who did never quit and
yeah, you will die for this business too.
I love what I do.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
I love what I do. It's not even about obviously making money, you know.
Yeah, top there.
But it's I love what I do. You know, ninga sinzulu ushika 12 ndikuumbura the end that 200 is a lot, or that 400 your last client is a lot. I still stay. So I really do love what I do. I enjoy.
Achikuambanga the 200 and 400. Wewe ni songo wangu nereka machine wa competition ya mnyanya. Rona na yaziliwa, rona ya input na ziyamba.
Oh.
So na msoro
the competition.
Oh. That's competition. Keno wakuza watu rendi in love on the mini. So azuko the
oh, okay.
Mnyanga competition ya zina.
Kuzo ngambele na kwamba ngazi boyfriend as umshumela. Zitoma ka 250 my nails.
So gonya ziko zipeka buhe. Ziko gonya iko yazita and I go in my funeral cover.
No, at the race guys. The most you can pay is 550.
550.
The most you can pay is 550. This set is 430. This one is 430.
Okay, and then anyway to using
it. My sister. This one done it was a student. My sister to Fuserenza. Done it was Antaka. And then this one she's my little sister did it.
Okay. And then why she do it and some now some of it as a student master.
No, like look, her work is pretty. Just that because I'm doing else every day. So yeah, because that's not okay. It's marriage that even inside. So that's what Oshoni says. That's why I kept them. Now my students, the one thing about my students, they know their work, guys. I'm not even flexing that. I need tanzi when I take my students.
Okay, and then we're gonna get to the students again. So arishkamanga with our to and the 550 I mean. Wait our to Vanjirune I wanna discount for the say 10 for what do you give discounts or I can is like hey, it's the same thing
discount? No. Like unless there is a sale. I'd rather do a sale than would discount her too. Because none would discount her at this time. And next time such a discounted, I feel like it's gonna be a problem. Yeah. Okay. So the next problem was discount, but I can get it as the specials and as the sales for my clients.
Somebody 550 times 5. Rwana quotation.
Oh, never to a 5 kilometer. Woman, Makadzina, ukutoitwa mini ukutoitwa bread
umane vaitiswa ne
ndikumbera vatu va20 not 550 times 20 kuti ndinambe ndisvikise
avamwe ri kuti vaita vongori vakutusa rinonakisa minyosha
no
so the rest of the tiranga vanhu vavo so ruzamba so
ari kulivuwa tenda munyanya wavaona hore woitiwa vatu vangana nara
okay and ofasongoromeke vanga vala kuti varias asongocharomaike
ndikuromeke asikisi ndikuranga chanda
and vaita vayarwa mutu wodina so
olanga sintunguru uri ngusvika
and then apa Venda una watu vanji unoita dzinara and then also I'm sure nangita unongusara nokutaura kunakufensi but it's all that what makes you different from those people vangina vangwana vakuita nepazvo yodhoni zva200 from you as a brand because
it's a brand
like you said
okay so zvinhu zvendo ndive different hey ndimini mara
social media maybe your presence
yeah that yes
that's
and my relationship also with customers but I'm very friendly with my customers so yeah why I'm phone and then also and then I really do try my best mutu ita set uyadzori mutu all that it's real and atina chitu I don't do that atina zvino it's rare current so I try to stock as many ndila mtheni ndia renga kachitoko it's rare in the salon yange like you want red and atina red is very rare so they know when they come to me they're gonna get exactly what they want tiri auna blue next time machibi auna blue next no I keep up with my stock. I make sure I have everything. Currently, now to the operator, so yeah.
Okay, and then let's go down. Let's go page design from your MNews. You also do the class like you said before, and then midweek or quit class. That's how we couldn't shoot.
Yes, in the weekend, yes, that quit.
And then also now TGCE, so you already are a teacher. And then
go show me the qualification. Yeah, big business management in a business. Yeah, teaching. So to go square, school mahara guys. Because you show me this.
Yeah, more or is what I charge now. You mama tomorrow.
Tina the tibasa tuba umuyani zino umuyani ashambi wezo.
Ngofuna those confirms you know what I mean.
Ashambi wezo.
Yeah. And then would you say automatic because you mastered every art? Yeah, there's nara kana order for hey name when they share the food. Because obviously we're here to make money.
Oh yes. When I started tutorials, I think then they got a lot of people asking about it. You know, sometimes you realize an opportunity to business in Gavatu. So I told her, "We are Goodisa, can you teach me?" I was like, "Okay, you know what? I can teach you for the price." And then yeah, that's how I started. Then I got to advertise and go funza. The funza huyu. But huyu student kukona badida adirifela na bamoro no wala uyakona nati tutumufunza mara my teacher yo ndikukoma maiki kuzi asikumbare kubali
yeah I have this
okay. So yeah
and then do you still remember your first student?
No, I don't, unfortunately. I don't remember my first student. I've lost count. I have so many students now. I've lost count.
I'm say over 100.
100 we are there. Ronewa we are there at 100. Definitely 100.
And then your sister now worked when you worked as much nine over Kudisa kana nine Karaza or the of me, Muratwa, the Kudisa and then you're like, hey, you don't want to Mokona, so I'm
yeah, I taught my sister attended one of my classes because then she thought that she's my sister, she gets everything whatever she wants. Bad day no bad day. Wala nam sato ato rendi koto da guru did they feel in madam rengera. Shout out to Cheesy. Yeah, so no hango bad day. So kushikadzura chitu na material ai. So kuri sisi the jinisa yorenga material. So about this ones when the Shumana they're renting a space here in my salon. The bandits go back with the search to battle the Bakotokona, they were only big. We are a great tip.
Aparenta Kayanikana combine chede. Can I know body?
No, I have. This is my salon, and they're renting from me.
Okay. If you do get renting, go face that we shoot along.
I'm paying 5.2. It's 4.9, and then 5.2 is because I'm packing down there. Yeah, but then I'm packing, but. Yeah.
And then
but I mean, it's safe. There's security down there, so yeah.
Okay.
It's very safe. I would recommend Venda Office Park, guys. Very safe, very neat.
Okay, and then I want to talk about it.
But when it
okay, not tingam just talk.
we do not talk about that. No, not even.
Yeah, okay.
They're my sisters. I wouldn't do that.
You have a lot of sisters.
I have. Like, I feel like when I'm wearing at Dashuma and we end up with the sisters, and not as little sisters, Zambirun, like we really do care about each other. We are sisters. It's not sort of monomiana.
Only the type is our sister.
You ever know the type? People qualify. You're overqualified. You for dear and Woody. Shout out.
We are stepping.
Oh, Kim Opera guys, not Woody.
We are doing a Greek type here.
Aboni obi atena pasalunga the type. The type here mukereki na.
And then let's go via class food. I want to know like how long does it take to remove I feel automanara or know class in you know the master she's out there. Oh, how long are your classes?
Oh, classes is 3 days.
What about you on 3 days?
Yeah, I've not been there when they could claim it in the and they were not to work on and you know classes and guys is not to funds what they continue funds Rishibori pedicure gelani funziwa. Rishibori ni funzwa everything. You know, if there's everything you need to know about nails, come to my class. You'll know everything.
So all in 3 days?
Yes. And then they give an opportunity. If not for me, maybe you're still struggling, maybe you're not going to my business and it's not doing, or maybe not man could fish. You do come back for free. Na attend na bang. And the people hardly come back.
So actually you do come back for free. You mean or nkobia na Mr. Badu la ni tutorial mbepezi mara ya material you will have to pay.
No, I didn't need no material.
Oh, paying a 3 days na go eat.
No, and obviously if she's having a business, automa business, obviously ukorenga sweet mara I mean uko bhaliwa. Yeah, so yeah, you're allowed to come back. Mara watfanje babu. Since PGC they could eat and they could eat. It's very rare. But I do welcome them back. They know they're my little sisters, and I'm even big sisters.
Yeah.
So they know they're my sisters, so they do come back.
So now at Kwambazori, they don't normally come back because we work with them. There's always that one slow learner class in, which I believe na kayanga diba not to musema kana mjisana mato. Marutambo na mtani uslow na me. So mtwaso umakomodity and we give them more attention during the classes. Can I touch him for an extra class after?
Yeah, and then like, you know, one thing about me, I say GNZ students that I feel like in the gas over handle. So not just students, I make sure the Kobona Mushumo Munamu, the Kochimbira, not just on the Bandi Panda, Bewiniang, the Chimbira, I do walk around the table and see, and the Mutako barrier and the I under to that's in a room to after my return the name never on the rocket. Yeah, like that. And then if Karako barrier should do the test after. Then we'll talk. We'll see a way forward. I attend another class. There are so many options.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then actually there's class. What was it? And then so over out of our chashuma jamara chada itwana class.
Yes.
Okay.
Cut that period as a class here 3 days in the one to move.
Okay.
And they want to go to focus.
Let's talk about the designs. Yeah, and you want to design the design cover to like, hey, is not this one. Naga TikTok. When I'm going to manage, you know, you mara any product you want
trust in the process.
Yeah. So any would you say when I'm telling what they're not designing, like, hey, can I you're a master of all?
I think now I've mastered. I think it's very well remote than a design in this now. The way this idea. When I look at a design, the home tweets and that is what it takes now. Okay. Yeah. So now I think I've mastered.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then let's say this thing of yours now university because that's branch because you've been to Pulukwane, you know quite your bag, and I think on also Right.
No, but I wanted to go at Tingochaya.
Oh, I'm shy. Somebody I go for the campus. Yeah, so with a foreign, I mean, campus, obviously, what one other one upon by Takanam contact. So I trying to put one and a job bag, Uwaka, Petrohan, never to those who are accessible. No one other good.
Yeah, you know what? Like in the poster, okay, at this date, Nikoya job bag, and then people pay. So I I do ask them where are you from in Joburg. Oh yeah. Then that's where I select a location. So I do not have like standard Doroki, the cage. So talk Bakori or to Badera or there is a guy. So this tomorrow the Koya mid-rend. Oh no, and this one tomorrow because the Bizori couple weren't.
No,
I realize.
But we're coming live at you from Ronewa Muremela's office.
Yeah, so I'm going to Midrand. So the chicken Midrand can be a great center. Yeah.
And then how do you decide on where to do these classes? We check out demand and then okay,
yeah. So if you want me, test me. The more you tested me, they thought, okay, I have a lot of Pretoria test. Okay, I have a lot of what test. Yeah. So need to check.
So
yeah, Tsanini, like I did find, I think it was 3. I think it was 3, but it was not worth it to go because I tend to attend the next one. So already Miss Ruba and remember I have to book accommodation, I have to transportation, and it was like, you know what, let me hold it. I didn't give up on Tsanin because I do get some tests from them, so I didn't give up on it. So Tsanin, stay ready anytime. At this time, let's make it work.
Okay.
So yeah, near the, you know, like Tsanin was my first, but you say I didn't give up. Now so everything that you start is just gonna work out at the same time. No give up and I remember Nadi Songo Panga on the because no Tomada list you read in the guiding. Then what was tester but you complain. Then I was a child, but either way, guys, and give up because can't give up or it's and never go chat die. Then the door is one inch opportunity and which one is but to work.
And then Jambo and Dubai, I don't want to demand it for God.
The whole year we fly.
I thought that's important. And for that. Okay, so what's the class? Have you ever had me?
Yeah?
Oh, you know not about the class that
oh, yes, I have. Now I took another Kubo Queen May. I took an open May.
I'll tell you, Panda.
I shall out in that old growl. We no more serious.
So, let's call a child. Back to it. So, our writers were good. And then after that, you did say with our certificate. And then I've seen what we celebrate on an event to show
an event. Yeah, I feel like it's a big deal because several what would they have overtaken the step of studying this business. So I do celebrate them. We have a ceremony, Riambara dress up, the red carpet, the dresses.
I'm going to ask you for that for dinner because it doesn't want to. No, that's boom. Video is more than
for dinner pass.
One when you went to was the high class in whenever quit and dog on their certificate.
It's me. Me.
So you're a person of high stage.
Me. True. Correct. So they could open so yeah, it's a nice event. One to celebrate. And also I do invite because it's very motivational. Like my students will come as a testimony. Everyone is saying testimony, okay, wait a minute, day over to Sahani. You know, and I do invite the speakers, but when the okay. the business owners Venda, they are good. I do invite them. You know, it's a very nice event. So I do invite even about when they're not my students. Everyone wants to get motivated or a business. It's a very nice event.
Yeah, we should come and see one of those.
You should. And this last one, Gusbo, what that is called.
No, one of okay,
it's a very nice event.
I want to honor Bapa certificates, and then they're like, they know about corners. So don't you have that fear? You're reason to go to some to then get customer because work on a brand because mutually good is obviously the moon and kill each other name. In as much as it's to fun, I'm not going to pass on them. So don't you have that fear?
No, not even. I think also Nojuana from Mutu and Goodisa. Shout out to Chichi Niels. She was very like Ndola Mtene or accept her. And as you food and I'm proud and I'm so proud. You know, she would even test me, Uri, oh, how did you do this nail? Usumezormini, Asemutu, so on good this spirit teacher. You know what? Your student is like your sister. So at fear shame. And what that is, we have so many clients, like we have so many clients and so much even again there. But what that is, so no. I even get happy. The businesses. I get so happy. They know my students. I'm very proud of them. So I TV I'm a big fan of God, guys. I'm a big fan. The one wow.
Yeah. And then how proud is your mom about you? Because I know comes the rain now, she is very proud. So how is your mom taking all these things?
My mom is very proud, obviously. Every mom would be. Yeah, so she's very proud. That's true. And but if you when okay, so no, that's unnecessary because what could they even know with you also? Oh, okay, guys, please view this. This episode, please view the increases at the black couch, please.
Okay, so bro, I feel like and then you also have a business you hire the rest.
Oh yes, I do.
And then why would decide I was to rent this the dress instead of to rent?
Because you know, like I think also that business you're there from people. Because I do wear nice dresses, you know, you have seen the contribute at the graduation. So people would ask, can I hire that dress? I was like, okay, you know what? I can, you know, why not, you know? Yeah, so those who told me it's not like something she knows like I know. Just about to oh, where can I get it? Can I hire it? I was like, okay. So yeah, those who told me okay, actually hiring is a good idea.
And then eventually any problems maybe now at
no, not even. But there is a fee. You know, if currently hire request 600, you pay 1.2. So 600 in when you bring it back. So it's very rare urumotono embarrass a child because udo 600 you know what? No, I'm gonna bring back those dress. So yeah. So it's very rare or remote to know. There and my clients but always everything.
Okay. Just like with Yambong as Nara and the Chumbra Zori but tissue. Now we jump on as the dress. The first thing that comes to mind, you already so that's our 9 year we want each one.
No, not even really guys. It can so come hire the dress. We do clean it very well and make sure it's ready for our next client.
Okay. And then
and remember also we have a market because I'm going to sell those people that cannot afford. So if I mean afford it, they'll go buy a dress.
Yeah, brand new.
So a brand new one. So those ones, yeah, but there are those people who cannot afford. Those people would rather go hire a dress than go to buy. So the market, target market is those people that cannot. Yeah.
And then have you ever received any awards for your business?
I haven't. You know, I should enter this awards thing, hey, because you know what, I'm sleeping on myself.
Because you're definitely doing good. So
yes, I should. Guys, una award ceremony, guy, please plug me. Like you, I need to do this awards thing.
Oh, I come back. I just don't because it's a plan. Just go point or out of me again. Go on, Ilamishonga like Ilamishonga. Una sosa one like kana not never to mutera mishonga ine abakwita the name specifically
mishonga. Oh, you mean for the nails? Oh, so I'm a distributor. Oh, another business. I do sell products. My guys. So I do sell products. So I'm a distributor of Planet Nails. Oh. So yeah, Baba's this and a distributor to people. Also, I do sell some products in as the Planet Nails. Yeah.
Okay. So, so I want us to talk about my business. That's to Ramana Munga Wakamuzuri, like my business. I think it made a good because you are focused on all this. Not to Rengo Gore, you are focused on all this. What they need.
Yes, exactly.
So, and already, you had your first car, like, hey, what am I going to show?
Then that more guy, and the second one.
Hey, Gore, Tom. Which one was it? I told him the photo of the it was sniper.
And the I-20.
Yeah. So that I-20, or you bought it to your business, it's from personal savings.
No, dear business. And that name was also, guys. It's also intended when the way means. At name was also. So now one and then I should try. Get it, so yeah. So
the car that you have on the OB, can I be a brother?
It's the second.
I didn't know what's going on.
This is the second one.
And congratulations, man.
Thank
and
you
to
so
also
much.
To see.
You got a cruiser.
That's right.
You got a cruiser nicely.
No,
with no problems.
No one ever done like
you give thanks to God because they know
because it does your resemble rapid and then can also come again and go to stand with me and go, well, I'm trying to you can't go and go. I feel all I want to get a chair. Hello, cool, Matthew. Then what to calculate how we now then we had every to get 10 guy. I don't go to make up with because all number now that she send 250. I'm rather minimal 250 times out of 10 or tomatoes in barrels. Somebody, yeah, wash me of it. And then inspire mom to know what to man. Say out, hey, yeah, panda, I ain't go there. Don't just believe me. But one never would do. So, how much would you say you need to start a business here? So, and then roughly how much would you say, yeah, you're going to panga wig when you sustain?
That's to read at Zimbabwe because
yeah,
because I'm only 2 plus 2 7 in the manga. That's good point. That's so read at Zimbabwe like that. But utoma ndikho ambazwabo neclass yanga ndita 2.8, so you need 2.8. If you do not have a starter kit, that's 4.3, so you need 4.3 to start. And then you know, but ringas to totoma wamburi profit because you know like ndizandi kubuza students ngori invest in your business uri kono nduri na investor chede inji ukudubia inji na investor 20 rand ukudubia 20. So you invest a lot of money na ringa the products vatu kabadalo ruki ainge ndidoya ndawana yilo vasungunyama uri vasatuyo mara ulanga vasina na yelo. Invest on your business nsongotamnyela uri profit idu ndotova chipinga cha profit cheno goes with the profit pay that chena cost.
How long do it take for you to make profit?
How long? I was in school though. I was not full time, but it did take a long time because remember, I remember I was doing on my bed. So she does I didn't even have a UV lamp yopanga. Dina kala so I would do nails no renga something. So it probably took the whole 6 months this for one day only coming out. And they were because then it's not cheap. I started with nothing. So I had to build that.
Okay. And then not to delay you as for the toilet. So in closing, I just want to ask you what you have to say to mom Zana out there. Feel like you are on a degree, Mara maybe I'm gonna or what can you advise them?
Here. If Kara you have a degree and I'm sure as Namushumo, it's good that you start a business. Go out there, asongo zura. You know what? Like sometimes and all it takes is that step. Tomani checho chitu chene chikotonga chonyeziseya chidonita kura and in terminal tendo. And in you won't do it alone. Jenim zimon nitembe rotembe. Rotembe so tembani mudzimu ngambiri yote. You need to start whatever you want to start in songo zura. Apa ano maduva ti mutwene haku ima. I arichandai. Sisi kata kuwe. You are beautiful, but what else?
But then, guys, so
you are coming back with big wins.
Exactly. So this might be the end of the episode. Mara the ones who are running can business. Who knows? Because so from me and my team, bye. And don't forget to subscribe, like, no comment.
Yes. Yes, please comment, guys. If you love me, please comment. Let me know.
Those who don't love you, don't you want to know? Bye.